Well, it's Christmas Day. We've decided to come out and take Wood out, haven't we, Si?
Yeah.
Just for a quick walk whilst before sunset goes down. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Let me just move that, that's better. Yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Just had food, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we're just
nice,
gonna...
a nice big dinner.
yeah, just pudding to go. So yeah, we'll just take Bud out, have a nice 20 minutes walk around. I don't know if you can see him, where is he? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, that's awkward, isn't it, when camera's on? He's trying to point out. I can't. So he's there anyway. It's nice and peaceful in here. We went out earlier on, didn't we, Si, and had a look at swans and that. There were more people out than what we thought. So it's summer, Si. You know that video I did with bluebells? It's all in here.
Oh, right,
and when I brought my drone back out, it was just yeah, pure purple. So I'll have to show you that when summer comes. We've still got some green leaves here, look. And it's December. Well, end of December nearly. Some weird looking trees there, look. But yeah, it's normally covered with bluebells in here, mate. Look at that tree there, look. I wonder if that's been cut down. So it's like a big Christmas tree, isn't it? That's been cut. There you are, look. Loves it, don't you, bud? Yeah, we'll go left up there. You can just see sunset going down through trees. We're going to have a look at this tree down here, what's fell. Yeah, this is a nice area, Si, to flight drone and all. Through this bit. Yeah. Yeah, can you remember? It's a bigger than this tree. It's just ripped up, look. Tell you what, Si, there's some weight in that tree, isn't there?
Definitely.
Tried making a den here, look.
Is that the one before, roadside?
No, that's further that way.
Oh, right.
I'll take you there now.
There's some rope on that one as well.
Yeah, like a swing. I mean, it's crazy, isn't it? That must have gone down with some weight, that. The amount of times, though, you walk through wood and you can hear cracks and you think, I better move. Yeah, I'll take you to the other one. What's up, bud? I bet he stepped on something here, look. Yeah. I mean, look at rubbish here, look, that's probably why. Everyone's just leaving rubbish and grass, look. I'm have to check him out. So yeah, Buddy's fine. I think he stood on like a conker shell or something. What was spiky. Yeah, some funny shaped trees, isn't there, when it's bare side? Hello.
Hello.
Really quiet, isn't it?
It's like too quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you remember that live I did? And we seen them two eyes? It was just down here. So yeah, we'll cut through there. And then we'll come out at the other end up there and I'll show you that other place. Hey bud.
Speedy Gonzales, that's what he is.
He loves it in here. We've got Simon recording, look. Watching Simon record, watching me record. Let's get close. Hello. He's hiding, look.
Go on, buddy, just barge it out at way.
Do you remember that white cup? That what was stuck on tree? Like that coffee cup lid?
Yeah.
And we were like, what the hell's that? It's there.
Oh, right.
Things look totally different in dark, don't they? And this is where we could hear that owl as well. Another one there, look. Like a Christmas tree thing.
If I come down here at night time doing that,
Yeah.
the Jason.
This is why I don't tell people where I am, because I know people will start joking around.